Hi my lovely viewers, this is LYT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to run at login of Esaymail email client apps in PC or Windows PC or laptop in Windows 11. So for this case we will go to the search option. Here we can click settings. In setting we will click the apps. Here we can get it easily. So install app. So in this app so we can get it easily where Esaymail we want, and we'll click this the three icons and after advanced options. So here runs at login. So this startup stacks can be configured to run when you log in. So Esaymail Win32 background service, I have on it before. Now I want to off these things. If we want to elaborate these things, so configure startups stacks we have to click, and this it has been up. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.